Hello guys, today we're gonna review and unbox the Nitecore EDC27 UHI. So let's check it out. This is the packaging of the Nitecore EDC27 UHI. This is the front, the sides, and the back. This is what you'll get inside the package. You'll get a Nitecore EDC27 UHI flashlight, a user manual, a USB-C charging cable, and a lanyard. For the features of EDC27 UHI, it utilizes two UHI 20 LEDs with a max output of 3100 lumens, a max peak beam intensity of 23,500 candelas, and a max throw of 305 meters. A multifunctional OLED real-time display for brightness level, lumens, battery voltage, and runtime. A built-in 1700 mAh battery. It also uses a precision metal orange peel reflector offering a longer range and a wider angle of illumination. It also features dual tail cap switches, 5 brightness levels, and a strobe mode. It has a built-in USB-C port for charging, and 2 lockout modes are available, the semi-lockout mode and the full lockout mode. The body of EDC27 UHI is made from high-strength stainless steel with PVD titanium coating. Also, it's dustproof and waterproof rating in accordance with IP54 and is impact resistant to up to 1 meter. Next, we would show you how to operate the Nitecore EDC27 UHI. To charge the EDC27 UHI, we would need an external power supply that would support 5V and 2A charging. Using the USB-C cable, let's open the flap over here, exposing the charging port, and we have to plug our USB cable here. During the charging process, the screen would show the progress bar, and when the EDC27 UHI is fully charged, the progress bar would be full. Charging time for the EDC27 UHI would take around 1 hour and 15 minutes using a 5V and 2A adapter. To access the 3 momentary illumination functions of the flashlight. So first, if you would want to access the ultra-low mode, we have to press the power button and hold it like that. Then release to turn it off. To access the turbo mode, we have to press the mode button, then hold it like that, and then release to turn it off. And last, to access the momentary strobe mode, we have to full press the mode button and then release to turn it off. To turn on the flashlight, we have to press the power button once. Then, while it's on, if you want to cycle between the different brightness level, we have to press the power button. Ultra low, low, medium, and high. To access the strobe mode while the flashlight is on, we have to full press the mode button. Then, to access turbo mode, we have to press the mode button. Then, to turn off the flashlight, we have to just full press the power button once. This flashlight has a level preset function. So if you want to access a certain brightness level before you turn on the flashlight, all you have to do is press the power button and cycle to the different brightness modes. Then, if you see your desired brightness level, just full press the power button to access that mode. The EDC27 UHI features 2 lockout modes, the full lockout mode and the semi-lockout mode. To access this lockout mode, we have to turn on the flashlight first, then press and hold the power button until you see the preferred lockout mode. Now, we're on semi-lockout mode. So, on semi-lockout mode, we could not use the power button, it's inactive, but we could access the turbo mode and the strobe mode. To exit the lockout mode, we have to short press and then full press the power button to exit lockout mode. To access the full lockout mode, it's the same procedure. First, we have to turn on the flashlight, then hold the power button until we see the full lock icon, then release it. On this mode, we cannot access both the power button and then the mode button. Both of them are disabled. Then to exit this mode, all we have to do is half press the power button, then full press, then you'll see the unlock icon. When the bar is full, the flashlight is fully unlocked. When the flashlight is turned off and we accidentally access turbo, high, or strobe mode, when there is an obstruction in front, the flashlight would automatically turn down its brightness to 200 lumens. To demonstrate this, I would put my hand in front of the flashlight, then access turbo mode. As you can see, the flashlight would automatically turn down to 200 lumens. Also remember that the sensor protection function only works when the flashlight is turned off. When it's turned on, the sensor protection function would not work in any modes. As you can see, the light does not adjust its brightness. The Nitecore EDC27 UHI is one of the best EDC flashlight that Nitecore has to offer. It easily fits in your pocket and it has a full stainless steel body. Compared to the EDC25, the EDC27 UHI has an OLED display, dedicated turbo and strobe buttons, and a durable stainless steel body. But the EDC27 UHI is 22 grams heavier and it's around 20% more expensive than the EDC25. If you want the most features packed into one EDC flashlight by Nitecore, go for the EDC27 UHI. But if you're on a budget and want a lighter version of the EDC27 UHI, then go for the EDC25. So this ends our video. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video.